How to add Midjourney to Discord server in mobile. Adding Midjourney to a Discord server in mobile allows for enhanced moderation, management, and customization features to improve the server experience. Now, I am already here on my Discord server and I'm using my mobile this time, as you can see. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is add Midjourney. So you're going to go ahead and click this one here. And then in here, what you're going to do is click join a server. And then we're just going to type here Midjourney. Just like that, click join server. And we're going to verify that we are human. Click this one. Alright, we have successfully verified it, and as you can see, we have now officially joined the Midjourney server. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is go here to newcomer rooms, this one here. You can just choose anyone here. I'm going to choose the one at the top, and then after doing that, we are going to go here to the side so you can see their Midjourney bot. Go ahead and click that one. And after clicking on it, what you're going to do is click add app, this one here. Alright, and then this is where the fun thing begins. You can see here add to server, so you are just going to go ahead and select the server that you have. Alright, I've already done that one. I'm going to hit continue. Alright, authorize. Alright, so Midjourney bot has been authorized and added to Vladimir Shakib's server. So we're going to click this one here in order to go to our server. And congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to add Midjourney to Discord server on your mobile device. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.